In this video, I show you how to fix preparing please wait FB Lite problem. For fixing this problem, go to Play Store, click on search FB Lite, click on FB Lite, update your FB Lite app if available any update version. Now search for 1.1.vpn, tap on it, tap on install. Now go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search Lite, tap on Facebook Lite, tap on force stop, tap on OK. Now tap on storage and cache, manage space, click on account setting also, and click on clear, then click on clear cache. Now connect your install VPN, click on next, accept, install VPN profile, then OK, not now, then click on connect. Now open Facebook Lite. Now log into your account, enter login details. Now click on OK. Now click on message icon. Now I hope that this method fixes your problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.